Welcome to the Parsimony tutorial series. In this session, we will explore the support settings function within the support module. Configuring these settings will help you streamline your support processes and provide exceptional customer service. Let's start by navigating to the support module on the Parsimony dashboard. Click on Support to access the tools available for managing customer support and service operations. Within the support module, you can efficiently handle various support activities. Today, we'll focus on configuring the support settings. To access the support settings, select the Support Settings option. The Support Settings form allows you to customize the way your support module operates. Let's go through the key settings one by one. Track Service Level Agreement. Enable this feature to start using and tracking service level agreement in issues. Allow Resetting Service Level Agreement. Enables the support team to reset the SLA timers under specific conditions. This can be particularly useful in scenarios where the initial SLA timers need to be adjusted due to changes in the ticket status or additional information being provided by the customer. Close Issue after days. Any replied or resolved issue will be closed after the number of days defined in this field. However, if the customer replies to a closed issue, the issue will open again. Once you have configured all the necessary settings, click Save to apply the changes. With the support settings configured, your support team is now equipped to handle customer queries efficiently and effectively. Great job! You've now learned how to configure support settings in Parsimony. These settings will help you optimize your support processes and enhance customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching this tutorial.